All right, we're back with another update on the Gorgar restoration project. We made some progress with the game here recently. We've got the one solenoid, this particular kicker bumper that was locking on, shorting out, blowing up fuses and stuff. We've got that one repaired now. It took a little bit tracing to get it worked through. Finally found out that it was one of the gate chips. Believe it was IC7 was failing, and it was bad, so we got that one replaced. Anyway, went through and did a solenoid test just a few minutes ago. Everything seems to be working fine, so let's see if we can get a game going here. See what happens. All right, Gorgar speaks. Looks like we got some display issues with the numbers. We can take a look at that. Oop. Definitely need to work on the spring. It's a little sticky, but that's okay. And of course, I don't have the legs set up right at all. As you can see, the ball is not level. Kickers are working really good. All right. Okay. Well, next update, we'll have the displays working a little better. And we're going to be putting some new rubbers on the bouncers and cleaning things up.